Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aaacat token, which is 3 A's, AAA CAT is the ticker symbol here, and I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at AAA CAT SWE, and it says this is a meme coin on the SWE blockchain. And this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, October 10th. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on swescan.xyz. You can also find, if you're looking for the chart and the price, you can find this token on Dext Screener in the SWE section. I might have seen this token actually on the Ethereum blockchain if I'm remembering as well. Some tokens, they do very well on certain chains. And, if they do well on certain chains, then other chains will, or other people will copy the token's name and put them on different chains. So I'm not sure exactly if this token here is just on multiple chains or there's copycat tokens out there. But if you look at this token on Dex Screener, the SWE token is doing insanely well. $15.5 million market cap. So a huge project. Now, this token just got listed today, October 10th, at 7 a.m. UTC time. This token got listed today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. You can get it in a decentralized way, which involves a lot of steps here. We can go over that in a minute. But an easy way to get this token is today off Mexc Global, got listed at 7 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AAA CAT and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token also has here a Telegram you can follow at AAA CAT SWE. 2,479 Telegram members, 620 of them are online. The tagline here is, I can't stop thinking about SWE, Aaacat community. And they have a link to their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at AAA CAT SWE on Twitter. And then they also have a Telegram announcement channel. So this first Telegram at AAA CAT SWE, that one's going to be great for talking to other community members about the project, asking questions, getting involved in discussions, that type of thing. And then the announcement channel has 84 subscribers at AAA CAT ANN. And you can preview the channel before joining, but that one's going to be great for updates, just like this Twitter right here in the corner of the screen. You can see they also have the contract address right there on the Twitter. And a link to the Telegram, blue verified checkmark, 328 posts. They have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Just joined in March 2024, 4,161 followers. And their pinned tweet is a whole bunch of A's and then a cat emoji, which is hilarious. And then they just retweeted their new Mexc global listing announcement. And yeah, lots of memes, of course, all over the webpage. So their SWE scan here says they have a market cap of $15,267,100. 24-hour trading volume is $1,820,000. Right now they have 5,345 holders. There is a max total and circulating supply of 10 billion tokens. And if you go to the web page here, it says the origin story. So it says, so Drippy stumbled upon this epic image of a black cat on Friday the 13th, posted by SWE Name Service, and thought, wow, this would make a fire meme coin. With all the buzz about Move Pump, Drippy wanted to test the meme creation tool on the platform. He created the token as a test, and the gens started to buy. He then posted it on his X account, and all the SWE degens pushed it to a complete bonding curve within minutes. Now, Aaacat is the fastest growing meme coin on SWE. So they show you how to buy on their webpage, and if you want to get it in a decentralized way. So it says you need a SWE wallet. So a SWE wallet is required to use, trade, or hold the Aaacat token. We recommend the SWE wallet created by Miston Labs. Then it says bridge to SWE. If you currently hold cryptocurrency on another blockchain, you can easily bridge it to SWE on the SWE network, and you can do all of this on their webpage. They have all different links to the wallet, to the bridge, and the buy, all at AAAcatswe.com. And then it says buy AAA, buy Aaacat by swapping SWE for AAA on Hop Aggregator, which ensures you receive the best rates. And then it says our partners, and then it just says and then it has a link to their Twitter. And yeah, so the deck screener chart shows that, you know, the Turbo Finance pool is actually pretty small. It's only $1,200. This token pair was created 8 days ago on Turbo Finance, so that's just a very small pool on there. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Can't stop, won't stop thinking about SWE. But yeah, very popular project. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.